Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to determine the selling price, and we have learned two formulas, that is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So these are the two formulas that we have to learn. When the cost price and the profit is given, then we have to add cost price and profit to get the selling price, because when there is a gain, selling price is more than the cost price. So when we add it, we will get the selling price. And in case when there is a loss, then we have to subtract cost price minus loss, then we will get the selling price, because selling price is less in case of loss than cost price. And we have discussed started to worksheet number 3 and question number 1 that we have started. So we have discussed its two parts. So C part, here the cost price is 480 rupees and the profit is given, cost price and the profit is given, that is rupees 75, and we have to find out the selling price. So selling price निकालने के लिए what we have to do, we have formula, you can see here, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So here profit is there, so we have to add cost price and profit to get the selling price. So add them. So 480 plus 75, that is 555 rupees, 555. Now D part, here cost price is 1200 rupees and here loss is given, loss of 195 rupees, right? Cost price is given and loss is given, loss of 195 rupees. So to find selling price when there is a loss, what we have to do, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. That means we have to subtract. So 1200 minus 195. So 200 minus 195 is 5. So answer is rupees 1005, right? And similarly, last case, the here the cost price and the profit is given. So in such case, we have to add to find the selling price. So add them. So it's 4550. After adding it, the selling price is 4550 rupees. So now today we will discuss the word problems based on this. So here the first question is, a shopkeeper purchased a sari for rupees 375. That means purchased means cost price is given, and sold it at a gain of rupees 90. So what is given? Cost price is given and gain is given, right? Find the selling price of the sari. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the selling price of the sari. So you know the formula. Cost price is given and gain is given. In such condition, we have to add cost price and gain to get the selling price. So let us do this question. So we are doing worksheet number 3. Question number 2. That is solve the following question and solution number A. So cost price of the sari, cost price of the sari, that is rupees 375, right? And there is a gain. Gain is equal to rupees 90. Gain is rupees 90. So we have to find out the selling price. So selling price is What is the formula to find the selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain. So that is, we have to add them. So add them, what we get, that is 465 rupees. After adding them, what we get, 465 rupees. So the selling price of the sari is rupees 465. So very easy. If you have learned the formula, then it is very easy. In this unit, you have to learn the formulas, and whole unit is based on the formula. Next is the watchmaker bought an old watch for rupees 420. Right? So this is the cost price of a watch, that is 420 rupees, and spent rupees 85 on repairs. And he spent 85 on repairs. If he sold the watch at a gain of rupees 60, so again there is a gain, find the selling price of the watch. So here cost price is given, and the money spent on the watch, extra money spent on the watch is also given, that is rupees 85, and gain is given, and you have to find out the selling price. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to find out the actual cost price, right? Cost price is given and the extra money spent on the watch is given. So we have to find out the actual cost price that we have learned in worksheet number 2. That whenever some extra money is spent on the item which was purchased, so we have to add that extra money also in the cost price. So let us do this question. Solution number B. So cost price of the watch, that is rupees 420, right? And spent on repair, that is rupees 85. So what we have to find out first? We have to find out the actual cost price first. Actual cost price of the watch, that is rupees, what we have to do? We have to add them to find out the actual cost price. So that is 505 rupees. And now what else is given? Gain is given. There is a gain of rupees 60. Gain of rupees 60. So now we have to see this cost price. This is the actual cost price. Gain is given and we have to find out the selling price. So selling price of the watch is equal to cost price plus gain. That is rupees 505 plus rupees 60. And answer is rupees 565. Right? So the selling price of the watch is rupees 565. So the selling price of the watch is rupees 565. Now the last one, C part. Rahul purchased a storybook for rupees 225. After reading it, he sold it to his friend at a loss of rupees 120. So here again, the cost price of the book is given 225 rupees and the loss is given, loss of rupees 120. Find the amount paid by his friend for the book. Now here also the selling price of the book is asked. The only thing is, जो ये क्वेश्चन है ये थोड़ा सा आपको घुमा दिया है. जो फ्रेंड उसका अमाउंट पे करेगा वो राहुल के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, सेलिंग प्राइस हो जाएगा, बिकॉज राहुल इज सेलिंग द बुक टू हिज फ्रेंड, so his friend is purchasing a book from Rahul, so that is the selling price for the Rahul. So that means you have to find out the selling price of the book, story book. So again, solution number C. Here what is given? Cost price of the storybook. Cost price of the storybook. That is rupees 225. 225. And loss is given. Loss is equal to rupees 120. Right? Now you have to find out the selling price of the book, story book. That is, what is the formula to find selling price when the loss is given? So cost price minus loss. That is rupees 225 minus rupees 120. That is equal to 105 rupees. 105 rupees. So this selling price is the cost price for his friend. So the question is find the amount paid by his friend for the book. So his friend paid rupees 105 for the book. Right? Now our next topic is determine the cost price. Till now we are determining the selling price of the thing. Now the next topic is determining the cost price. So here again you have to learn two new formulas for cost price. So how can you find out the cost price when the profit is given and the loss is given? So selling price is given and the profit is given. तो you know that जब profit होता है, right? जब profit होता है जो तो selling price आपका cost price से ज़्यादा होता है. In case of profit, you know, profit के केस में selling price is greater than cost price. Now, अब हमें profit और selling price दिया हुआ है. That means selling price ज़्यादा है पहले से ही. तो cost price जो होगा वो selling price से कम होगा. In case of profit, जो selling price ज़्यादा है, तो हमारा जो cost price है वो selling price से कम होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो उसमें सेलिंग प्राइस ज़्यादा होता है तो कॉस्ट प्राइस हमारा कम होगा. तो सेलिंग प्राइस से अगर मैं प्रॉफिट माइनस कर दूं तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट अ प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम सेलिंग प्राइस टू गेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ लॉस के केस में कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन द सेलिंग प्राइस. सो टू फाइंड आउट कॉस्ट प्राइस, सेलिंग प्राइस मेरे पास क्या है? कम है और मुझे क्या है? लॉस है. तो अगर मैं सेलिंग प्राइस में लॉस ऐड कर दूं तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो वी ऐड लॉस विद CP to get the SP to get the cost price. So again you have to learn these two formulas for the next worksheet. So here again we have a table in worksheet number 4 in which the selling price is given, profit and loss is given, and we have to find out the cost price as we have already done in worksheet number 3. वर्कशीट नंबर 3 में हमारे पास कॉस्ट प्राइस प्रॉफिट लॉस दिया था एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सेलिंग प्राइस। यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ऑपोजिट है केस, यहाँ पर आपको सेलिंग प्राइस गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट प्राइस। तो जो फॉर्मूलाज हैं वो थोड़े से चेंज हो गए हैं। वहाँ पर जब सेलिंग प्राइस निकालते हैं तो प्रॉफिट के केस में हम प्लस करते हैं और लॉस में माइनस, यहाँ पर उसका ऑपोजिट है। यहाँ पर हम कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालने के लिए प्रॉफिट माइनस करते हैं और लॉस ऐड करते हैं। So the formulas are already given in your book. Here cost price is equal to selling price minus profit and cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So try to do this question number 1 based on these formulas and find out the cost price. So try to do this question number 1. We will discuss this worksheet number 4 in our next video. Thank you.